Alright, so what am I doing? Oh god, I don't know what I'm doing. I better figure it out soon. Well, first I better start a project, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna do new assembler project. This is gonna take forever. There we go. Alright, now as long as I don't move nothing. You damn right. Watch as a dinosaur makes a dinosaur. It's gonna be painful. So what colors do I want to use? I need... Let's do green. And actually, I don't really want to do multicolor. I'm going to keep it so that the animation can stay cheap and crappy. I'm just going to keep it a single color sprite. Rotation? I don't want to rotate it. Oh, I wonder if I do, though. I forget how that math works. This is art, you fools. What is that? A tool belt? What? Oh my god. Look, this is what you're getting. You know, that might be it, because I don't want to spend all day making a walk enemy. There's the walk. 4 frames of walk. Alright, I have no idea. Oh shit. I don't know what I'm going to do here. I literally don't know what I'm doing with the sprite data. It's just a file here. Oh crap, what am I doing? I need to look at manuals and shit. Alright, so I have sprites. Why that default is 45? That kind of worries me. Holy crap, I'm so rusty. Alright, I'm gonna get a physical book. I have some physical books here. Should I make a... I don't know if I want to make a basic autoloader. I guess I could. That's kind of the classy thing to do. I'm going to type this in. I'm going to do it real man style. I'm not cutting and pasting. I think I have a PDF of this. I'm going to do it real man style. So the code is going to start at 0801. And what we're going to do is we're going to code in manually a basic program that does 10 sys 2064, which is where the code's going to start, so that you can load it and run it as a basic program, but it's actually running an assembly program. Just so that you don't have to like load it and then do SYS like 49152 to run the assembly code. It's a classy way to run your assembly. So that should do. I'm going to make a comment here. So code starts at 08110, which is 2064 decimal, and then so after 15 bytes for basic loader. Oop, it actually was doing the parentheses for me. So let me see if I'm even doing that right. I want to like how do I compile this? Project build program to memory and run. Let's see, or to file. Okay, assembly dump. What is this? Okay. Oh, all right. So it is starting in. My code is ready to start. There's the. Why is that not like a lot? I put like a lot of bytes there, but there's only a. Is it not showing all of the... Why is that only like 6 bytes there? Huh, that still looks weird. Program to memory and run. Just run it. Build it. Okay, there's the assembly dump. Is it gonna... Okay, it's starting the emulator. That! I like that. Where's the... How do I do... Ah, crap, I don't... No! Not input switching. I need to take it to lowercase. Because did it do the program? Yeah, it did the program right. It put the little basic loader, so that's good. Alright, I'm going to save it. I'm going to... This should just make the background black. So, time to build... Project, oh, Control F5. I'll have to remember that. Whoops, invalid label RTS. Oh, did that not? which is labeled because, oh, I guess it does have to be lowercase? Shit, how did it work before? Oh, Control F5. There we go. All right, so it made the assembly. Move the accumulator directly 0, and let's see what happened. There we go. Okay, so that just changed the background. Where's the... Damn it, I got to set that every time. I need to save those settings. The input that I changed to fix that, the positional. Let me save those settings now. Save settings. Okay. So there we go. That's the... that changed the background to black. You know, that's good enough. I just want it black so I can see it better, and then maybe I might get fancy and try drawing the border. I mean, the ground. Hey, that worked. Okay. That cleared the screen. Okay. So now the screen's clear. I got to set the background to black. I've used a loop, an interesting new loop I just discovered to clear the screen. So now, look, don't... You can build the bus all you want. I'm going to make this dino dance. Oh, except I got to figure out the IDE. Now I got to get that sprite data out of the damn editor and into the... So I want to enable sprite 1. So that's step 1. Enable sprite 1 is going to be, I'm going to load the accumulator with direct 01. And then store that in D015 is apparently... Is that sprite 1? So I did export it as a binary file. How do I get that binary file back? Maybe I'll just look in the onboard help. Using the sprite editor. So export to listing. That's kind of what I want to do. This feature allows any sprites to be saved as data statements. Yeah, I want to save it as assembly data. That's what I want to do. So sprite data generate. So I want to export to listing. I'd rather do. I don't know what this book was telling me to do. So I'm going to do that. And I want to export to listing assembly data. Generate data using 3 values per line. Hexadecimal, I guess, is good. Only generate included sprites. And that's it. Okay. What did that do? Oh, crap. That put in a lot of shit. Okay. So, that just inserted a bunch of byte data for... Looks like the 4 sprites. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 sprites. So there's my sprite data. Oh, that's the way you insert a binary file. You say you can say that, and then like this assembler saying, you know, include the bin file of sprite1.bin or whatever. But I like it as the text. That's kind of doing it old school. So XY position of sprite 1. I'm going to load the accumulator with direct mode 80. And then store the accumulator D00. Store the accumulator D001. Okay. So that should do it then? Where's the color of the sprite though? I don't know if that's inherent in that data I did or not. I don't think it is, but let's see what happens. Control F5. Compile's okay. There's all the assembly. Blah, 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 blah. And we close it. What do I get? Hey, there he is! Yeah, I figured he'd be white, so the default is white then. So there is white dinosaur. See, I told you I would get this going, Steel. I swear to God. He is so stupid tiny, though. See, I thought that sprites were limited to like 8x8. Sprites really are 64x64. I should make this guy chunkier. I really should redo that sprite data. That kind of works. So this should be a green dino if I did it right. There we go. Okay, got the green dino. So now what I got to do, I already have the... Now the question is, how do I do the frame animation? I'm going to set it in motion. Build the sprite. Set location, do some movement. So this movement, I'm just going to run this and see what happens. Okay. What's it going to do? There we go. Okay. So. All right. All right. So I got that much. I've got it running. If I run it, it actually, it didn't reset it. I can't run it again. I go off the screen. Then I'm like, okay. So, I think I've tapped out enough for now. This is all you're getting so far. This kind of counts. This counts. I win. I say I win. This counts as me walking. Yes, it does. Look at that. I am walking across the screen. You didn't say animation. I should at least draw a... I should be nice and draw a floor there, but... look. Walk implies animation. It really does. And let me see if I can figure that out. I'm just going to change this to sprites. So 0. It's going to be %. Oh no, Kewey's here to judge. Oh shit, I got to get this working now because I have to show my skill, my non-existent skills to Kewey. See, it was 3 a.m. this morning, Kewey, that I was bitching to Steel about object-oriented programming, of course, and I got on a rant, and he's like, oh, well, you need to program, I'm going to give you until the end of the day to program an assembly to have a dinosaur walk across the screen, our Commodore 64. So, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm stealing code and cobbling knowledge, and my brain is on fire. And I'm getting close. I actually am close. I was about to give up, and then I felt guilty, so I was going to... Yeah, I've only been working on this 2 hours, and I am so incredibly rusty, but I'm glad I'm doing it. So I turn on all 4 sprites. Okay, all 4 are on. Okay, they are in line. Why is the one... Look, the one is ahead of the other one, though. I cloned myself. Oh, crap. Only one sprite is separate. This looks like... This one here looks like more than one. That only looks like one sprite. It's like one sprite's there, and the rest are over there. I wonder why that is. Let's try that. I think that might keep all 4 together. Let's see what that does. Is this gonna do it? It do. Okay. All right. Now, one more. There's only one more thing I got to do, and it's not simple. I need to add code to animate which sprite is enabled. Now I got to figure out how I want to do that. I now have all 4 sprites, all 4 frames of the animation moving across the screen. What I need to do is figure out how to time it. I think it should be part of this wait loop. This wait loop should call maybe another loop that would loop. How do I want to do that? So if I'm looping, right now I just have a loop that's incrementing the X, but now I want to, every so many X's, I want to increment the... And see, what's irritating is that the one I want to enable, it's not like a direct math. It's not like I can count up. Indirect indexed. That's only if I'm pointing. Like, I can see doing that because we'll see. Oh, so maybe I'm taking, because I was going to say I'm going to put all 4 sprites on. But yeah, the way to do it would be to say I'm only using one sprite, but I'm just changing the memory of what defines that sprite. But I haven't wrapped my head around that, but that does seem like the more sensible way to do it. Let me take a look at this just before to increase tension. So I'm going to make sure that my stuff is set in C. Where's my... Okay. 80. Why don't I see 83, though? Caesars are, I got 80, 81, 82. Where is 83? Can I only use groups of 3? So this might bork. I don't know what's going to be in that last frame. I don't know. Let's see what happens. What the hell? Why is it taking so long to load? Oh, because I put that data so far away. Oh no, it didn't do shit. Oh, it broke everything. Oh no, it's all broken. Crap. That's a whole bunch of nothing. It's not even ending. Oh man, I must have really borked up because it's not even ending that loop. So what did I do wrong? Come on, what's going to happen? I want flickery border and animation is what I want. Oh my god! Ah! Holy shit! Wow, okay. But how did my sprites get all screwed up? My sprites are all goofy again. They were good. Why did my sprite get corrupted again? I need to look into that now. Yeah, what the hell happened to my animation? It was looking good when I did the sprites. It's like one of the sprites is bad. Oh man, I'm so close. Look at this. This is beautiful. Beautiful. That is a mess. Why is the one... It's like I explode every step I take. Why is the one corrupt? Why the hell is that? I got issues. I think Steel is gone. Is Steel still here? Because I'm there. As far as I'm concerned, I've met the qualifications of the challenge. But like that actually is a good amount of weights. I like that speed. Good. Steel is there. So what happened to my sprite data? Oh, yeah, and that. Well, wait a minute. I don't even need to. Yeah, I don't need to use that anim frame anymore. Then you're going to ore the accumulator, which is oring the Y. You know what was Y? That Y value. You're going to ore that with 0. Okay, let me try that. I'm going to keep this around though, and instead of that, I'm going to ore the accumulator with direct 80. I'm just going to call Kewey Magic Math. There. Let's see what happens. It's not a hack if it works. And I win my... I don't know what I win. I complete Steel's task is what it is. Look at that. Look at that. And it's doing all 4 frames. Oh, those legs are awful. I win all of your CRTs, is what I say. I like it with the flashing border, actually. It just adds to the majesty. Look at that. That is the finest animation. Let me do another Control 5. It should load a little faster this time. Should be back to, yeah, pretty fast. Yeah, there we go. Oh my god, that animation is horrible. Chris, you're just in time to see the victory. How long have I been streaming? I've been streaming for 3.5 hours to get this code working, and I wouldn't have done it without Kewey's help, because they got the maths. Oh my god. This is what I have coded. Well, I was only doing it to satisfy a Steel because I bad-mouthed object-oriented programming, and Steel was like, well, you need to make a dino walk across the screen. Well, there it is. It is glorious. I really should. I don't even understand. Adds 80 to whatever. Oh, okay. Oh, well, duh. Yeah, that's simple. Okay. Right. Okay. Even I understand that. That's math I can get behind. It is like modulo 4. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of disco border. Disco Stew doesn't need to be there no more. I might make it... No, I kind of like that speed. I'm going to keep all these weights in here. This is very efficient. This is how you do it, Steel. Can I make that wait a little longer? Like, will it? Yeah, I'm too tired. That's in main program. So wait a few hours later. Why? Thank you again. I could not have done it without you, Kewey. You helped me with the thinking and the math. But yeah, honestly, I've now used every resource imaginable. I used physical books. I used the internet. What's this guy's site here? This is, what is he on? Modern Art using the GPU and demo scene, and was it digitalerror.net was a Google. I'm like, what was my Google for? It was C64 assembly code to display sprite. That's what I'm like, I just need to steal your code. But the guy did get right to the point. This is where I stole a lot of the code from. But, yes. This was very much like Lego. This is how you program a real computer. So, okay. Oh, wait a minute. I need to try. I need to see if it works without tucking the accumulator away. Will this still work? If I do this, will it still magically work? I need to see. Will it still magically work? See, it does! Why does it still work?